Here's how to turn off read receipts on Instagram messages. Now here you can see I have my iPhone as well as my Android. If you wanted to go in here and read a message without it showing that you've read the message, I'll show you how to change it on both phones. Now from here, tap on the profile button at the bottom right. And then next we're going to tap on the 3 lines at the top right there. After you've done that, scroll down until you get to the section How Others Can Interact with You. And then tap on Messages and Story Replies right here. Next, you're going to tap on Show Read Receipts. And all you need to do is toggle this off. It says others can see when you've read their messages. All you need to do is switch this off, and they won't be able to see when you have read their message. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.